This light and fruity strawberry tiramisu is the perfect way to end any Thanksgiving or holiday dinner, and it's truly so simple to make. We will start by whipping our heavy cream to help incorporate air so it becomes light and fluffy. Fold in some vanilla essence and powdered sugar and whip until you get this soft peak texture. Finish with some mascarpone cheese for that richness and creaminess. Bloom the coffee in hot water along with some brown sugar, and we are ready to assemble a tiramisu. Pipe a layer of our vanilla cream followed by ladyfinger biscuits soaked in our coffee. And another layer of cream on top of this, followed by fresh chopped strawberries, and finish with more cream. Garnish with the dust of cocoa powder and freeze-dried strawberry powder. And this dreamy strawberry tiramisu is just ready in 20 minutes to make your holiday season more special. Hope you all like it. Head over to my blog for more detailed recipe and enjoy.